Hi everyone, it's Ashley here, and in this video I'm going to be using Flexi Rods to achieve gorgeous, elegant, bouncy curls. This is perfect for the holidays, New Year's Eve, or honestly, whenever you want. So for this style, I'm going to start on dry, stretched hair. I had my hair in a bun for a couple days, so I took that out and just brushed it out. And then I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. This is just to make rolling my hair onto the rod less crazy and more organized, so my hair is not everywhere. Now I'm just grabbing my section of hair that I'm going to roll onto the rod, and I'm going to apply my product. I'm using Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk, and a little goes a long way with this product, and I'm applying that first. Then I'm following up with Design Essentials Curl Enhancing Mousse. I love the hold that this gives. I only need to do about a pump or two for each section of hair, and then I'm just gonna use my Denman brush to make sure that there's no tangles so my hair rolls smoothly onto the rod. So I'm gonna be doing my go-to twist and roll method. I've done other videos doing this, but I will show you again a few times on how you roll your hair onto the rod using this method. So you always want to make sure that the product is evenly distributed from roots to end and that there are no tangles. You want to make sure your hair goes smoothly onto the rod. So starting at your ends, you're going to tuck them under and roll your hair onto the rod, then rotate it. That's your twist motion. Roll and twist, roll and twist, and then we're going to roll to the root. And once you get there, you're going to secure it in place by bending the flexi rod over your root. And then I always bend the bottom just to keep the flexi rod out of my face. And we're going to do it again so you can see it. So we rolled our ends onto the rod, and then we're going to twist and roll the hair onto the rod, twist, then roll the hair onto the rod, and secure it in place by bending over the flexi rod. In total, I used about 24 rods, and now I'm gonna let it dry overnight so I don't have to add any heat to my hair. This is how I protected it. I used a large silk scarf and just wrapped it around. It was a little uncomfortable, but we made it through. Now I'll just be unraveling the rods. You do this by unbending the flexi rod and then rotating it the opposite way that you rolled it onto the rod. Alright, the curls look good. Now I gotta do my makeup, so let me speed that up. There we go, all set. So now I'm gonna be using Silk Elements Argan Oil. I love this stuff. I like to mix it into like my hot oil treatments or just to add some shine into my styles like you're seeing now. So now what I'm doing is separating the curls. This is just to add some body and volume to the look. I'm going to do this about 4 to 5 times to each curl section. After that, I'm going to take a hair pick or like you see here, wide tooth comb to fluff my roots to add some more volume. And there you have it, gorgeous, heatless, bouncy curls using flexi rods. I absolutely love it. Make sure you check out the description box below. I'm gonna leave all the product info there, and I will see you next video. Thanks so much for watching.